Lemongrass plants.
Lemongrass is a tall, perennial grass native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Australia, and Africa. Belonging to the grass family, Poaceae, its botanical name is Cymbopogon. While there are many species, the most common varieties used for culinary and medicinal purposes are West Indian lemongrass, or Cymbopogon citratus, and East Indian lemongrass, Cymbopogon flexuosus. Physical characteristics. The lemongrass plant grows in dense clumps with long, coarse, and strap-like leaves. The part of the plant most commonly used is the lower stalk, which is pale yellow or white and has a bulbous base. It is a fibrous stalk, so it's typically bruised or crushed to release its aromatic oils and then simmered in liquids to impart a lemony flavor to dishes and beverages. Key compounds and aroma. Lemongrass has a distinct, fresh, citrusy aroma with earthy, herbaceous undertones. This unique scent and flavor come primarily from a group of compounds, the most significant of which is citral. Citral is a mixture of two isomeric aldehydes, nerol and geraniol, and is also found in the peels of citrus fruits, like lemons. Other active compounds in lemongrass include myrcene and limonene, which contribute to its pleasant fragrance. Culinary and medicinal uses. Lemongrass has been used for centuries in both cooking and traditional medicine. In cooking, it is a fundamental ingredient in many Asian cuisines, particularly Thai, Vietnamese, and Indonesian dishes. It adds a bright lemony flavor to soups like Thai tom yum, curries, marinades for meats and seafood, and various stir-fries. It can also be steeped to make herbal teas. In traditional medicine, lemongrass has been used to treat a variety of conditions. It is known for its potential anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It is commonly used as a folk remedy for digestive issues, fevers, headaches, and anxiety.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos. Let's go. Lemongrass benefits.
Lemongrass offers a variety of potential health benefits, many of which are supported by its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. While much of the research has been conducted on essential oil extracts, many of these benefits are also attributed to consuming lemongrass in tea or as a culinary herb. Here are some of the key benefits of lemongrass. 1. Reduces inflammation. 2. Supports digestive health. 3. Provides antioxidant protection. 4. May help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. 5. Has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. 6. Relieves pain and anxiety. 1. Reduces inflammation. Lemongrass contains compounds like citral and geraniol, which are known to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds are believed to help reduce inflammation-causing chemicals in the body, which can be beneficial for managing a range of conditions, including those associated with chronic inflammation, like heart disease and arthritis.
2. Supports digestive health. Traditionally, lemongrass has been used as a remedy for digestive issues, and modern research supports this. It can help with stomach upset. Lemongrass acts as a calming agent for the stomach and has been used to alleviate cramps, bloating, and indigestion. Combating bacteria. Its antimicrobial properties may help fight off harmful bacteria like E. coli that can cause food poisoning and other digestive problems. Some studies also suggest it may help protect the stomach lining from gastric ulcers.
3. Provides antioxidant protection. Lemongrass is a rich source of flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants help to scavenge harmful free radicals in the body that cause oxidative stress, a process linked to cellular damage and chronic diseases.
4. May help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Some studies suggest that lemongrass may have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Blood pressure. The citral in lemongrass may help to lower blood pressure by promoting the relaxation and widening of blood vessels, which improves blood flow. It also acts as a natural diuretic, which can help flush excess sodium from the body. Cholesterol. Research in animals indicates that lemongrass may help lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which are risk factors for heart disease.
5. Has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Lemongrass oil and extracts have shown strong activity against a variety of microbes. This makes it a potential natural remedy for bacterial and fungal infections. It has been found to be effective against a range of bacteria and fungi, including Candida, which is a common cause of yeast infections. Oral health. Chewing on lemongrass stalks is a traditional practice for improving oral health, as its antibacterial properties can help fight bacteria that cause cavities and gum inflammation.
6. Relieves pain and anxiety. Pain relief. Lemongrass contains compounds that have been shown to have analgesic, pain-relieving properties, which may help to soothe muscle aches, headaches, and menstrual cramps. Anxiety reduction. The pleasant, citrusy aroma of lemongrass is often used in aromatherapy to reduce anxiety, tension, and stress. The calming effects of inhaling its essential oil have been noted in several studies.
How to make lemongrass tea.
Lemongrass tea is a simple, refreshing, and aromatic beverage that is easy to make at home. The most popular method is to use fresh lemongrass stalks, which yield the most vibrant flavor. How to make lemongrass tea? Using fresh stalks. This recipe is a classic, providing a clean and bright citrus flavor. Ingredients: 1 to 2 fresh lemongrass stalks, 2 cups of water. Optional: honey, a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice.
Instructions. Prepare the lemongrass. Start by trimming the very top and bottom of the lemongrass stalk. Discard any dry outer layers to reveal the pale white inner stalk. The most important step for releasing the flavor is to bruise the stalks. You can do this by hitting the stalk with the flat side of a knife blade or a meat tenderizer until it splits and feels slightly flattened. This breaks open the fibers and releases the essential oils. You can then cut the stalk into 1 to 2 inch pieces. Boil the water. Bring the 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Simmer and steep. Add the bruised lemongrass pieces to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you simmer, the more potent the tea will be. Strain and serve. Carefully strain the tea into a mug to remove the fibrous lemongrass pieces. Add honey to taste and a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice for extra brightness. Popular variations. Lemongrass is a versatile herb that pairs well with other ingredients. Lemongrass and ginger tea. This combination is particularly popular for soothing a cold or upset stomach. Add a 1-inch piece of thinly sliced fresh ginger to the saucepan along with the lemongrass and let them simmer together. Lemongrass and mint tea. For a cool and refreshing drink, add a few fresh mint leaves to the tea after you turn off the heat and let them steep for a few minutes before straining. Iced lemongrass tea. To make a chilled version, prepare the tea as usual. Let it cool to room temperature, then pour it over ice. You can also make a large batch and store it in the refrigerator for up to a few days.
Lemongrass tea is a versatile, caffeine-free beverage that can be enjoyed at any time of the day, with each time offering different potential benefits.
The best time to drink it depends on what you hope to gain from it. Morning. Drinking a cup of lemongrass tea in the morning can be a great way to start your day. It is often recommended for aiding digestion. It can help settle your stomach and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. Detoxification. As a natural diuretic, it helps flush out toxins and excess fluids from the body, supporting a gentle morning detox. Boosting metabolism. Some studies suggest it can slightly boost metabolism, making it a good addition to a morning health routine.
After a meal. Lemongrass tea is particularly popular to drink after a heavy or rich meal. It can help with relieving bloating and gas. Its compounds can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, which soothes a full stomach and eases discomfort from bloating. Promoting healthy digestion. It stimulates digestion, helping the body process food more efficiently.
Evening or before bed. Since lemongrass tea is naturally caffeine-free, it makes an excellent choice for a calming, nighttime beverage. Promotes relaxation and sleep. The mild sedative and calming properties of lemongrass can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep.
Considerations. Diuretic effect. Because of its diuretic properties, drinking a large quantity right before bed might cause you to wake up to use the bathroom. A moderate amount is usually fine for most people. Blood pressure. Lemongrass can lower blood pressure, so if you are on blood pressure medication or have naturally low blood pressure, it's wise to monitor your intake and consult a doctor.
Side effects of lemongrass. While lemongrass is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in typical food and tea amounts, high doses or long-term use may lead to side effects. It's important to be aware of these potential issues and consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication.
Common side effects. Most side effects are mild and related to consuming a large amount of lemongrass tea or essential oil. These include dizziness and drowsiness. Some people may experience these symptoms, especially with higher doses. Dry mouth. This is a reported side effect of oral consumption. Increased urination. Lemongrass is a natural diuretic, meaning it can cause you to urinate more frequently. This is a desired effect for some, but can be a side effect for others. Allergic reactions. In rare cases, individuals may experience an allergic reaction, which could manifest as a skin rash, itching, or swelling. This is more common with topical use of the essential oil, but can also occur from consuming the tea.
Risks and contraindications. Certain individuals should avoid or be cautious with lemongrass due to specific health concerns. Pregnancy. Lemongrass is considered potentially unsafe when taken orally during pregnancy. Some sources suggest it may stimulate uterine contractions and menstrual flow, which could increase the risk of miscarriage. It is best to avoid it during pregnancy and lactation. Kidney and liver issues. High or long-term consumption of lemongrass tea may adversely affect kidney function. Some studies have shown that it can cause a dose-dependent decrease in estimated glomerular filtration rate, or eGFR, and creatinine clearance, indicating potential stress on the kidneys. Individuals with pre-existing kidney or liver problems should avoid high doses and consult a doctor. Low blood pressure. As lemongrass can act as a diuretic and vasodilator, it may lower blood pressure. People with naturally low blood pressure or those taking medications for high blood pressure should be cautious, as it could cause a dangerous drop in blood pressure. Medication interactions. Lemongrass may interfere with certain medications. It may enhance the effects of blood pressure and diabetes medications, potentially leading to blood pressure or blood sugar levels that are too low. It may interact with medications that are processed by the liver enzymes, CYP450, potentially changing how the body metabolizes these. Overdose. While rare, an overdose of lemongrass essential oil can be toxic and may cause damage to the liver and stomach mucous membranes. For this reason, consuming the essential oil orally should only be done under the strict guidance of a healthcare professional.
Thank you for watching this videos.